We'll guide you through how to remove the pin from Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you don't like using the pin and you want to go and remove it. To get started, come to the bottom of your computer, press the Windows Start button, go and open up the settings, go to the left and go and press Accounts. Then you need to go and scroll down and go and find Sign-in Options, find the option for pin and tap on it. What you can then do is tap Remove. If it's grayed out for you like me, then what we need to do is go and remove the Microsoft account first. So come back to Accounts, scroll down and press Your Info. Then you can scroll down and select Summon the local account instead. Read this through and press Next. Enter in your PIN. Now you need to enter in your local account info. You'll now be using this. Press Next when you're ready and we can press Sign Out and Finish to confirm it. Sign back in, press the Windows Start button again and come back to your settings. Go to the left and press Accounts. You'll see we're now using a local account. Scroll down to Sign-in Options, find the option for PIN and we can then go and tap Remove, like so. After confirming your password, it's now been removed. Leave a like if you found this useful.